Right, so Positive Day Delivers. This is Dr. Gigi Sunga from My Change Project. Magandang umaga sa lahat ng mga delivers natin. And this is the first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, click mo na po yan, Dr. Gigi Sunga. And sa lahat ng gustong magpa-advertise ng business nila sa akin, or if you want to start or improve your business, and if you need to speak or for a seminar, message ka lang 0939-5254311 or sa aking FB page, Dr. Gigi Sunga. Okay, so nasuot natin, I am in transition. Ayan, in preparation with our seminar sa March 21, how to transition your life from ordinary to extraordinary. We have 7 slots na lang po 7 slots available. And yeah, message na kayo sa akin. And meron tayong special guest. Dalawa ang special guest natin. I-announce lang natin sa Friday. Pag nag-register na po kayo, doon ko i-announce. Okay? And speaking of that, nag-post ako ngayon ng sa FB ko. So if you're following me nasa page ko and personal FB account ko, that money, happiness, money, freedom, happiness, and mission. These are the only things na dapat mong target sa buhay. Okay? And you can only do these things by transitioning your life from ordinary to extraordinary. I'm telling you, you cannot do this unless matransition ang buhay mo. Pwede ka magkaroon ng pera, but you can have freedom, you can have happiness, you can have mission. So, you can have freedom naman, but baka wala ka namang pera, wala kang happiness, wala kang mission. So, napakahirap talaga pagsabay-sabay ng apat na yan, okay? But when you start transitioning your life, kaya natin. Because yan yung present na na-experience ko ngayon sa buhay ko. I've been working for how many years? So, ngayon, nakumpleto siya. Nakumpleto yung apat na yan na dapat mo lang intindihin sa buhay mo. Actually, sabi ko nga, kanina ay nag-post ako sa GC namin ng family ko. Apat lang ang dapat natin iniintindi sa buhay. That's how to have money, how to have freedom, how to be happy, and how to have mission in life. Right? So, ano ba yung apat na yan, Dok? Paano ba mangyayari yung apat na yan? Kasi ganito, ang di-discuss ko sa seminar is yung key para ma-attain mo yung apat na yan. That is transition. Okay? So, pero ngayon, di-discuss natin yung paano ba tayo magkaroon ng apat na bagay na yan. Okay? So, ano ba yung relevance niyan sa buhay? Why you should have money? Dok, hindi ba pwedeng happiness na lang? Mission ba? Impossible. That's impossible. I don't want to teach you unrealistic things. Gusto ko realistic. Yung totoo ang sasabihin ko sa inyo. Kasi maraming sabi, nagtao na nagsasabi sa atin, di mo kailangan pera, pwede ka naman maging masaya. Pero limited happiness. Gusto mo ba limited happiness? Di ba gusto natin unlimited happiness? And unlimited happiness can be obtained by having money. Hindi na natin maiwalay si pera sa freedom, sa happiness, and mission. Hindi na. Kailangan mamulat tayo. Kasi, alam mo hindi kasi tayo sanay na naisip mo maging mayaman. Hindi tayo sanay sa ganung paradigm. But it's high time for you to change that mindset. To transition your mind. To transition your life. Okay? So, by the way, yung I am in transition and I can change shirt natin, available for those who want to have it, personal na suot mo, para every time na suot mo siya, naisip mo, I am in transition, or if you want to become a reseller of this, so message na kayo sa akin, I'll connect you to my manager ng aking mga personal, tawag dito, things na binibenta, mga ito, damit, and eventually, magkakaroon pa tayo ng iba. So, kasi meron nang nagmamanage yung ating printing, okay? Alright, so number 1, okay? So, number 1 na dapat natin na iniintindi mo lang sa buhay mo. Okay, unang dapat mo iniintindi sa buhay mo ay yung money, okay? Alam niyo tong kakaroon ng pera. Hindi ko naman sa Bible Ang sabi, you have to work. 'Di ba? Kailangan nagtatrabaho tayo. Ay yung trabaho na yon, kailangan doon tayo kukuha ng source of income natin. Okay? So kailangan mong mag-establish ng source. 'Di ba sinabi naman, you establish your source. At yung source na yon, yung magbibigay sa'yo ng pera, kailangan meron kang source. It's either from your full-time work, from your business, using your skill, or other things na pwede mong gawin para magkaroon ka ng money. Ang importante, you are working, you are doing something to have money. Okay? Kasi yung, sabi ko nga, yun yung kasunod ditong tatlo Yung kasunod dito, okay? So, number 2 na dapat mong asikasuhin sa buhay mo is freedom. Freedom, marami nga ibig sabihin, pero for this context, for the sake of our discussion, discuss ko lang siya in few things. Number 1, freedom from bondage. Bondage of any things na alipin sa atin. Kasi you cannot fulfill your life unless you are under bondage. Under the, yung nakulong ka sa isang bagay, it can be vices, it can be people, it can be anything na nawalan ka ng freedom. Di ba may mga ganun tao, maraming pera pero walang freedom. Minsan sa work, di ba? Work mo, ilang hours a week, ilang days a week. So, nawala ka na ng freedom to enjoy life. Nawala ka na ng freedom to do your mission in life. And sometimes naman, nakukulong tayo, nawalan tayo ng freedom kasi our life is being run by other people, run by other principles, run by others' points of view. So, nawalan ka na ng sariling desisyon. So, kailangan meron kang freedom, meron kang kalayaan sa oras, kalayaan kumilos, kalayaan magdesisyon sa buhay mo. And that's freedom. Yun ang dapat mong intindihin. Kaya para magkaroon ka ng freedom sa time, so kailangan you can start your business. You can start your other source of income. So, kung mawala ka dun sa work na ubus talaga yung oras mo, nang at the end of the day, wala ka na ibang pwedeng gawin kasi ano ka na talaga travel pa lang, di ba? Lalo yung mga, I used to work in Manila. Ang travel time ko talaga sobra. Isa sa mga dahilan ba't ako nag-resign. Naubos talaga yung time ko sa, naubos talaga ang time ko sa pagbibiyahe. From Bataan pa lang, tapos may apartment naman kami noon. Pero yung time to travel, 6 a.m. Nakabiyahe na ako, dumarating ako sa pauwi, mga 8 na ako nakarating. So, as pagod na pagod ka na. So, I don't like to have that life again. So, kaya ginusto ko magkaroon ako ng freedom. Okay? Alright, so, you establish a source na meron kang freedom. Okay? So, kung under ka naman ng influence of other people, you take that. Sometimes, di ba sabi ko nga, you leave the people na iwanan mo yung mga tao na nagpapahirap sa'yo. Iwanan mo yung mga taong nagmamanipulate ng buhay mo. This is your life. Don't let other people steal that driver's seat. Ikaw ang driver ng buhay mo. Ikaw ang gumawa. Kung saan mo gusto magpunta, kung anong gusto mong gawin. Okay? Panoorin na lang po ang vlog ko. I vlog about that. Okay, number 3 na dapat meron ka. Yun nga, yung binanggit ko na happiness. I was, tawag dito, reading one article kay, si author, sino ba yung author nito? Queen Cecile ata yan. So, marami siya binanggit na how to become happy. So, marami like exercise, count your blessings, do random act of kindness, be good, forgive others. So, lahat na yan nagbibigay sa atin yung source of happiness. Pero may mga sources of happiness that we need money. Like, for example, going to Starbucks and drinking your favorite coffee is a happiness, but you need to spend money. You want to travel, you want to go to Boracay, you want to go to other countries, you want to go to Batanes, you need money. You want to date other people to be happy, you want to be with your family, you want to eat with them outside, you want to meet old friends, you need money to do that. So yung ibang sources of happiness natin, we need money. That's why it's important for us to have source. It's not about greediness, it's about you should have the means to spend for your happiness. Hindi kasi dapat pwedeng limited na happiness mo sa bahay. Diba? The world is big, so why don't you conquer? Why don't you explore? But you need money. Kaya dapat sa una natin iniintindi sa buhay natin is to have money. Kaya nga, yun yung nakasulat sa book ng IMG. Sabi yung IMG book natin. Diniscuss namin ito ni Ma'am Joyce. The 4 basic concepts of money. Book by IMG. That is how to make money. That's the basic concept. Kailangan may pera talaga tayo. Hindi natin may iwasan yan mga kapatid. That's the reality of life. Okay? So, from the book of IMG. And by the way, sa lahat naman gustong, saan ba yun? Sa lahat naman gustong magpa-member na IMG to secure your future, health insurance, life insurance, and meron na ring investment, message lang kayo sa akin. I'll connect you to the right people. Okay? And, yan. So, happiness. So, that's happiness. Dapat meron tayo yan. And next is, the last is mission. Don't forget your mission. The purpose. Your reason. Your why. Di ba sabi nga ni Simon Sinek, always start with your why. The reason why you were born. Yesterday, nag-message sa amin si Pastor Rodel. Ay, Pastor Rodel, thank you sa message mo. Sabi niya, bago ka daw isilang, ginawa na ni Lord yung lugar na pupuntahan mo eh. Kasi meron kang mission na gagawin. That is to serve God, to serve other people. Don't forget to do that. Meron kang mission sa buhay. Dapat meron kang isang tao, group na natutulungan. That's your mission. Your family is your mission. Yung kapitbahay mo na may sakit, that's one of your missions. Natulungan man lang, bigyan ng putas, dalawin man lang sa hospital. Yung church nyo na nangailangan ng electric pan, ng aircon, ng upuan, why don't you give? That's your mission. And you need money to do that mission. Alam niyo, ang sarap ng feeling pag po wala akong masyadong ginagawa. Natutupad din pangarap ko, like Saturday visitation, punta tayo sa ganung lugar, tapos magpamerienda ng konti, something like that. Sarap ng feeling kasi that's your mission. Isa sa dapat nating dinidesire sa buhay natin. Hindi yung minsan ang dami nating desire eh. Hindi naman yung talaga yung dapat mong gawin eh. Minsan nagiging busy tayo sa hindi dapat pagkabisihan, di ba? Busy tayo sa ibang bagay, pagpaplano ng masama, pagpaplano ng mali, pagpaplano ng hindi maganda sa kapwa. Why don't you plan your life to have money, to have freedom, to have happiness, and to have mission in life? Yang apat na yan lang ang importante. And ulitin ko, you can only do that when you start transitioning your life. So on March 21, I'll be waiting for you. Start your journey from ordinary to extraordinary. There's no other way but to transform your life, to transition your life, para makuha mo ang apat na bagay na to. Okay? So, see you. Meron pa tayong 7 slots na available. Okay? Alright, so please share this video sa lahat ng maibigan natin. Kahit OFW o dito sa Pilipinas, para sama-sama tayong mabago at umulad nating buhay. Thank you very much, Gigi. Enjoy the rest of the day. And let's go, let's go!